amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things we like to make at home. I'm going to make you a simple salad. Very easy. Leftover stuff. Make salad, bring it to work for lunch, you know what I mean, for dinner. So this is a salad. I have some stuff left over and I want to make a simple salad, and I'm going to show you exactly what you can do at home. Please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. How to save your budget, save money, save time, and this is how you come in handy from Chef Ricardo on the team. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Nice and lovely. So basically I have a little bit of mixed leaf right here. Got rocket spinach and beetroot, shredded beetroot, little bit of pepper. First thing, crack on. All right, guys. Second thing, I have some strawberry. I'm gonna put a little bit of strawberry inside of it for color. I like strawberry. I don't know about you, but personally, I like strawberry. Nice and lovely. So simple recipe, simple ideas, simple way to make things at home. All right, so that's it right there. We'll finish the strawberry. Red onion. You don't have to, but I love red onion. Cucumber. I'm gonna use it for about half cucumber. Right, as a Chef Ricardo, well, you're mixing strawberry, cucumber and all these things. But if you was eating a dinner meal, you'd be eating everything here. You know what I mean? Pudding, strawberry. So nice and lovely and simple. Easy to, there's some simple ideas like these you guys can do at home. You know? So mix it up together. Just like that. Got some very expensive olive oil right here. A little bit of olive oil. Not too much. I like chili. A little bit of dry chili. These are ideas for the fans at home. Alright. If you want also, simple. If you like to, you can put a little bit of salad cream. You don't have to. It's just ideas. And that's simple. Give it a little stir like this. Look at it. Cream it out into a bowl. Right. Tips and ideas of things you can make at home. You know? Look at that, guys. Very easy, simple to make, delicious. That's the word I want to use. That is very, very delicious. I got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. But as you can see, that is perfect salad for you guys at home. So please enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipe like this will be coming for you guys. Just easy and amazing. And I will see you next time with more healthy recipes, weight loss recipe and all these things. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.